Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name's Carl and this is my 1984 Porsche 924. In 2019 I paid the pricey sum of £500 for this car, and as you can see from the photos coming up, the car was in a bit of a mess. These photos show where the car was originally found back in Essex. I acquired the car from a guy over in Essex who at the time had planned to get it restored, but had too many other projects in the pipeline to start working on this one. Over the coming months, I spent a vast amount of time stripping the car down, and as you can see, there is a lot of rusty components throughout the car. It has been very challenging, but as a newbie to mechanical work, it was really exciting and a great thing to do. And it's given me such a passion for doing up cars. The rust continues to spread throughout the whole of the car, and a lot of these parts will need to be replaced at some point, but I look forward to the challenge. So there was a lot of welding that needed to happen on the car, especially around the battery area and the front passenger footwell, which received extensive salt damage for being at the coast for such a long time. A lot of the panels on the car were very badly damaged, and since then I've had to purchase a large amount of panels for the car. And the car at the moment is currently in its primer stage, ready for the next steps, which is to get the car painted. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow me on my journey. Take care.